Oh my god, I did the whole stream without being unmuted. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm going to explain everything again. Oh my god. Okay, that was stupid. So, again, on the daily, let me show you real quick again. So, on a daily, we are currently in an uptrend. But if we go to the lower time frames right now, 1 hour, 15 minutes, the one that I'm trading on, etc., we are on a downtrend. And yesterday, I told my students that I'm going to go short in this deep retracement level, 50% of the Fibonacci. And as you can see, the short order played out really well. But then I realized that we have a triangle, and that means that we are probably going to have a fake out until the level of 38.2%. Right, triangles usually have a fake out and then we go into the direction. So I'm waiting for a breakout until this level and then I'm going short. This is going to be like the buy stop is going to be my stop loss, and this is my take profit at 105,925. Okay, so now the market opens in 8 minutes, and let's just wait for the breakout, then take this limit order with us, and let's go short. I think this is going to be, I'm very sure that this is a trade that is going to play out very well. So wait, why don't I sell even more contracts? Okay, I'm I'm staying with my limit order with 5 short contracts, right? Um, if I go a little bit into drawdown, I'm probably buying 5 more. But first, let's stick to this trade. We have 7 more minutes until the market opens, and let's see what it does. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. If you have any questions, guys, just let me know in the chat, okay? Let me check the chat. Oh shit, people are saying I can't hear you. I'm so sorry, guys. I was muted all the time. Hey, Dandy, how are you? Thank you for letting me know. And hi, Kenji. Okay. Um, guys, I realized that so many of you don't know what a funded account is. Okay, so I'm going to explain you real quick because we still have 6 minutes until the market opens. I'm explaining you real quick what that is. So, most of the people are gambling and trading meme coins. So, um, and most of those are trying to make a lot of money by just investing $50, $100, $200, or even 1,000, right? But the thing is, if you really want to succeed in trading, you need huge capital. So, and funded trading is a little bit different. So, look, from my perspective, I'm trading futures. What you're seeing right now on TradingView, I'm trading future contracts. So, um, let me tell you the difference real quick. Spot trading is not really good. This is only what beginners do, right? In spot trading, let's say you want to trade Bitcoin, you actually just buy a few Bitcoin and then sell higher when the price did rise, right? And but like if you want to trade on a more professional level, you're, for example, trading the futures market, right? Many people currently are switching. Many traders, experienced traders, are switching to the futures market. Why? On futures, you have the exact same Bitcoin chart, almost the same, right? And but you can trade it much better. This market is regulated. It's not like um, I don't know, like trading on a on exchange that just could go down tomorrow and then all your funds are gone, right? We have much more regulations, and we are trading on a whole different level. So, for example, when you're trading futures, you're not actually buying a piece of Bitcoin like in spot trading, for example. You um, just buy contracts. You buy and sell contracts. Okay. Let's say one micro contract is $1,000 worth. One mini contract is $10,000 worth, and you're just buying contracts and bet um, either with or against the price. So you either bet that the price is going up or the price is going down. If the price goes up, you go long with your contract, right? You buy. If you think that the price is going down, you go short with your contract. So you place a contract um, on a short signal, right? So you're shorting, and it's a little bit different because you don't really own the um, the asset, right? But this is okay because you just have that contract for let's say in our case a few hours or a few days, right? And it's much more regulated, so you know exactly what you're making. You don't have any weird spreads or fees, because what I've seen, for example, in meme coin trading, right? When you're trading, many times you have like very weird spreads, or like you try to hit the take profit and it just doesn't take your profit because of spread, right? And those things, you don't really have them in the regulated futures market, right? There's a lot of liquidity. Nobody rugs you. It's just a preferred form of trading that usually more experienced people do, and I really can recommend that to everyone. So now, if you say, no, I don't have like a few $1,000s to trade contracts, right? This is what I'm doing. Many people are trading not with their own money, right? Rich people use other people's money to make more money. So in this case, I and you can do that too, um, borrowing money from a company to trade with that. So right now I'm trading with $100,000 of a company's money, and I'm not risking my own, right? And I paid for that account, I think, for that trading account, around $45, and I have the possibility to trade with $100,000, and whatever I make in profit, I can keep. Of course, I can't withdraw the 100,000, right? But I can keep the profits that I make, and yeah, it's just the smartest thing. Like, even if I'm a millionaire, I will still trade with funded accounts, like with other people's money, because this is what rich people do. You could use your own money for, I don't know, buying a house, doing anything. I don't, whatever you want to do with it, right? But you don't have to risk your own money for that. You're risking other people's money with that, and you have almost no own initials. Like, as I said, the account did cost $45, and I'm able to trade with $100,000. If you want an account like that, you can just take a screenshot and scan the QR code that I have here in this box, right? And you can get your own account. Just make sure that you use the code TIMA so you can get 90% off. So let's say you get a $25,000 funded account. At first, it costs around $169, but if you use my code at checkout, the price goes down to $25 or something. So it costs really nothing. And yeah, if you say, okay, I want an account like that, but I can't really trade, then you can just go um, to the Telegram link that I'm showing here, and I'm giving some entries every single day, and you can just watch and copy my trades and do the exact same amount of money that I do. So it's very easy, and I'm just waiting. So this trading session is not going really long today. I am working on something really exciting, but I can't show you right now. But I think it's going to be finished in 2 or 3 weeks. I'm trying to hurry up, and then I will launch it, and everybody can see. But that's why I need a little bit more time for that. And so I'm giving you my analysis, I'm giving you the signals, and I'm chatting with you in my Telegram group. Um, but this live stream is going only an hour, so in 30 minutes I will end the stream. And then I will keep you updated in the Telegram group. So if you want to be updated about that trade, just join the group, and you will get my messages. It's best if you turn on the notifications, and you will hear me after this in the group anyways. I will keep you updated about the trade. I will give you new trading ideas, new signals. I will explain a little bit, right? So let's make some money. Okay, for now, just wait and wait and wait. So there are actually two possibilities. One that I forgot to mention. Look, if we draw the Fibonacci from this point to this point, oh, we missed it anyways, probably. Then we have a new entry in the 50% area, right? But this is just maybe an entry for a lower time frame. So I'm really hoping for, like, this could be a short trading signal, right? Here in this area. So if you want to go short, you can go short here. I'm showing you with one contract only. Now we went short with one contract. It's a limit order. That means as soon as we touch this price, we're going short. We're not going short immediately. And let me adjust it real quick. So, but the possibility that we pass this and go much higher until this level is really, really high. And I'm waiting for that. Okay, but for just in case, I am leaving this limit order here. And it might be that we make a little bit profit with that. It might be that we go a little bit into drawdown. If we go into drawdown, that's great. I will just end the trade, and I will wait for the price to hit this area, and then we're probably making huge profits on this trade. Let's just wait a little bit. If the point does not get hit before 30 minutes, because that's when I'm ending the stream, then I will just keep you updated in the group. Oh, and also I'm giving away a $50,000 funded trading account, so you can trade actually with me, and you will get your free access to the group, and you can trade for free completely, with a huge amount of money with my signals. In order to win, you just tag 3 people under the stream you like and you retweet, and that's it. And after the stream, I'm going through the comments and I'm picking one person to win a $50,000 funded trading account. And I just explained you a few minutes before what that is. So good luck to everyone. And the limit order has been hit. Do you see that? Okay. But as I said, it looks like we're going higher. So let's wait for the candle to close. And I'm ending also this trade, I think, very soon. Yeah, I'm ending this trade now. It's perfect. That means we are going into oopsala, my limit order that I placed at the beginning. Da 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 da. Okay, we're coming closer. Very nice. I'm excited. I hope this is the breakout that I was talking about. Yeah. I was just checking if my Fibonacci is still in place because sometimes I move it on accident. Okay, we're coming closer. We're coming closer. Very nice. I hope in a few minutes we touch the limit order and then we can start making profits. Now we just wait. By the way, guys, um, I said this also in my group, right? Um, get yourself a notebook. Mine is so cute. What is this? I just got myself this one new, so I have to fix it. It's so cute. Okay. Anyways, get yourself a notebook and place it next to you while you're trading and we're breaking out. Do you see this? Beautiful. Okay. Anyways, get yourself a notebook and start journaling your trades. So before you place a trade, you write down if you want to go short or long, right? If you're selling or buying. And you also write down your mood. How confident are you? How sure are you that this trade is going to win, right? I don't know. You can use a percentage system. Okay, let's say for example I'm 100% sure that this trade is going to be a success, or you say I'm 50% sure, right? And then you also write down the reason why you have entered the trade and how you did feel before the trade and during the trade. And when you close the trade, you also write down how your P&L was, if you lost or made money, and you write down what you can learn from this trade. What could you have done better, or what did you do good? And you just reflect, right? The goal with this is reflecting on your trades. And if you write down every single trade, maybe write down, did you follow your plans? Um, did you did you have enough confidence? Did somebody speak into your trade and you changed it maybe, right? It could be any reason. Just write everything down, what you felt and what happened. So in a week, and you do this minimum once a week, you just read all of this and check what are you currently good at and what do you have to work on. And this way you can become much better with your trading. So yeah, I'm journaling since a long time. My notebook is full, so I just got myself a new one. And you're always learning, guys. There is not a single point where you say, "Okay, I'm the best trader. I'm perfect. I don't have to reflect on my trades," because I'm watching many traders too, very successful traders, right? Um, there is this girl. Um, I think she's the best, like the best. Like she has the best performance from those who are streaming, right? And even she does mistakes. So last time I saw her trading and she forgot that there were news and she got straight stopped out, right? So never stop journaling and don't, like, if you have a few good trades in a row, don't let it get into your head, okay? Don't develop a big ego or anything, because this is what kills your trades again. This is what kills your profit and your process. Um, Try to be in that place of mind that you're always learning and that you can always um, become better, and be aware that you can make mistakes and that the market is moving as it wants. So trading is always a probability game. It's never a thing of guarantees, right? So sometimes, even if you don't make a mistake, if you made everything correctly, you're still losing a trade. And this is not because of you, it's because of the market. And this is why we have rules, right? For example, the rules that you have to set stop loss and take profit with every single trade. And I just reminded myself that I have accidentally deleted mine before. So let's go back real quick. This is going to be my stop loss. Okay. Because I'm selling here, my stop loss is a buy order, just for you to know. And maybe we can move that a little bit to give it more space. Okay, and now my take profit, as I said before, let me go back real quick. Okay, that doesn't work. Let me go to the 1 hourly. Here's my first take profit. Maybe that's a little low. Okay, now take profit and stop loss are set, and the only thing we have to do now is wait. The stream is online for 18 more minutes, guys. Let's hope that it triggers our orders until then. I think it's a little bit more exciting if I switch to the 3 minute time frame. But trading on higher time frames is sometimes a little bit better than trading on lower time frames because lower time frames usually have a lot of noise and make you see things that are not actually there. Okay, let's switch back to the 15 minutes. Okay, and now we wait for our limit order to be touched. Let me just wait. Wait. All the time. When I got in touch with trading the first time, I always thought that trading is a lot of action, a lot of drawing, a lot of doing this and that, and money up, down, up, down. But in reality, most of the time, it's just waiting for the right setup. I'm also placing maximum 3 trades per day. I used to overtrade. Um, Overtrading means you set one trade, you lose it or you win, you want to make more money or you want to make that money back, you place another trade and another trade, and you can't really stop trading, right? You get addicted with trading. It gives you an addictive feeling. So, and usually when you overtrade, you lose a lot of money. And yeah, one of the main rules is actually just sorry, I saw something on my screen. I was confused for a second. So one of the main rules is don't place too many trades, right? So I'm placing a maximum 3. If I lose my first 2 trades, then that's it. I don't place a third one. If I win at least one of those 2, I'm placing a third one, but that's it. And this way, you can just like make sure that you still have your clear head, you know. Also, when I place a trade, I usually don't place another one immediately after. I always wait for a completely new move. This is just my rules. Everybody should make their own rules, but I think many rules are very similar. Okay, guys, we're coming closer to the limit order. This is our breakout. It's finally coming. 15 minutes left. Maybe I stay 15 minutes longer. Just let me know if you want that, and we can watch the trade together. Dandy is asking, is it a time purchase or monthly renewal? So if you want to get yourself a funded account, you purchase monthly, but only until you pass the challenge. As soon as you have passed the challenge, let's say with $25,000 account, you have to make $1,500 in profit, and then you can start withdrawing your own money, and you don't have to um, pay monthly anymore. It's like for free. Why? Because at some point you share the profits with the company. Okay, but the first $25,000 that you make are completely yours, right? So you don't have to share them with the company just after this. So you only have to renew if you didn't manage to pass the challenge. But again, this is what I'm here for. We pass the challenge together because I share my trades in my Telegram group, and I also offer one-on-one sessions if you guys want to. Um, Dundee is asking, oh, sorry, my cat. Dundee is asking how much for your private group. So the public group is for free, and the private one, it depends. So in the private one, my daily group sessions are also for free, but you only get them if you book also one-on-one sessions. And you can send me DM, and I can send you the price list. But yeah, I think it makes sense because with the group session, you get like this one-on-one training. I help you trading individually based on your needs and based on your trading style. And also, we can trade every single day live on stream. Not on stream, on a Zoom meeting, on a private Zoom meeting. It's closed, just you and the other people of my private group. The stream is just twice per week. AJ, yes, I can teach you. No problem. DJ Degen is saying trading platform name. If you scan the QR code in my picture, like here's the QR code. If you scan this, you can get immediately to the website where you can purchase your funded account. And the platform that I'm trading on here is TradingView. You can just connect your broker to TradingView and trade on TradingView. I think it's the easiest because everybody is familiar with TradingView, and this way we can everybody can see the same chart. Okay, guys, we're almost touching. Takes so long. DJ Degen asked again, if you wanna trade on the same platform, you just scan the QR code in the box and use the code that I've mentioned in the box. This way you will get a 90% discount. It's almost for free. Okay. Okay. The limit order has been touched. Finally, we are in the trade, guys. 10 minutes before I plan to end the session. Should I stay a little bit longer? Let me know. Um, Anyways, if I don't, I just keep you updated in the Telegram group. Don't worry about the drawdown. This is completely normal. And yeah. There's nothing to say. If we hit the stop loss, we're out. If we don't, we're not. The risk to reward ratio is pretty good. I don't even know what that is. Wait. Here's our stop loss. Here's our take profit. For me, it's very important to have a tight stop loss always because um, this is how you make sure that you win, right? If you cut out the losses very fast and let the winning trades run, this is when you maybe lose $200, $300 sometimes. But if you win the trade, you make like 2,000, 3,000, right? So I think in comparison, it's a very great deal. Let's say you're winning more trades than you're losing, then you're up in profit a lot. And even if you don't win more than you're losing, you're up in profit a lot. So that's the kind of risk management, right? That you need. So many people start trading without really thinking about their risk. But you should always know your risk, right? Because your goal is not to trade. Your goal is to increase your money. So you need a strategy. You can't just trade with a little bit of knowledge that you received from YouTube or anything. Um, there should always be a lot of strategy and logic behind this. But there are a few things. If you remember them, right? It's just a few things that will get into your head that you will not forget. After you have them, trading is so easy. Trading is like watching someone draw because the chart is always moving the same. And at some point, you will always have a structure that you see, right? Most of my trades are based on market structure. Those are movements that are happening over and over again. And once you recognize them, you know already if the trade is going up or down. So it's pretty easy actually. But this comes with experience, right? If you say you don't know how to trade, I would just recommend you sit in front of the charts for a few hours and draw some lines, draw some trend lines, and just try to identify what the market is doing. And also, I would recommend you to not always switch charts, right? Because if you always trade Bitcoin, then Solana, then Sui, then AVAX, then Pepe, then Doge, right? You will always have a different chart, and all of those charts behave differently. But my recommendation is to always stick to the same one, two, three charts. Right? Best stick to one chart, and that's it. Because the chart will always behave the same. Everybody chart has its own characteristics. And if you trade always the same chart at some point, it will feel like home, right? It's like driving the same car over and over again and then jumping into another car. It will feel different. You will not know immediately what to do. And I know so many very good traders who just switched the chart and then ended up losing money on that chart because it just behaves differently from the chart that they have been trading all the time. So my recommendation, pick one. Pick Bitcoin. I don't know, pick Bitcoin. We are making some good trades on Bitcoin. And then stick to that. Um, my favorite ones to trade are Bitcoin and Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a little bit crazy. If you guys want to apply to the private sessions, then we'll definitely trade Nasdaq at some point. It's really exciting. It's moving like meme coins, but nobody rocks you. This is what I always say. AMP is asking what's the coin you're currently trading. I'm trading Bitcoin right now. I'm trading micro Bitcoin futures. AMP says make 100x. Okay, deal. Okay, guys, 4 minutes left, and then I'm ending the stream. But I'll keep you guys updated in my Telegram group. Just watch this banner here. The Telegram group is called Tima Trades. You can just go on Telegram and search for the group, and I will keep you updated about the trade in this group. I will let you know if we're in profit, if we're in loss, if you should exit the trade, if you should uh, put more contracts onto your trade and stack it up. I will let you know about everything. Okay, guys. I just realized I can't really stay longer because I have a one-on-one session in 3 minutes. So I'm ending this here very soon. Okay, just letting you know. Um, and let's make some profits. By the way, if you're watching the stream right now, you can still trade Bitcoin USD perpetuals if you want to. The chart is very similar. It's not exactly the same. It has not the exact same prices, but it's very similar. And it still moves the same. So everything I can do here, you can do there too. But I always recommend you to trade with funded accounts. Okay, I'm going to let this trade play out. 2 more minutes. Sorry, guys. My cat just came here and I'm allergic to cats, and now my whole face is itching. Crazy. Okay. We're at break even. I will let you know how much money we made on this trade. Guys, if you want to win a funded account, just retweet, tag 3 people, and like the stream, and I will pick a winner. Okay. And if you have a funded account, let me know, and I will add you to my Telegram group, and I will give you constant signals every single day. And if there are days where I can't share signals because the market is just not giving good signals in that day, I will still give you some mindset education about trading psychology and whatsoever. Okay, guys, I gotta leave. 1 more minute until my one on one session. I love you.